In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to email thread Outlook. If you've ever needed to loop a colleague or stakeholder into an ongoing conversation without starting a brand new message, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in the web version of Outlook, clearly and safely. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website to open your mailbox in the browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox. If not, once you're in, proceed to your messages. Next, open the email thread where you want to add someone. It's important to work from the existing conversation so the new person can see the context and the message stays organized for everyone. Now, instead of choosing Reply, click Reply All. This ensures your response includes everyone already on the thread, keeping the conversation intact and avoiding parallel side conversations. In the Compose window that appears, look for the Options menu. Click Options to reveal more sending choices for this message. From there, select Show CC. This brings up the CC field, which is the standard place to add people who need visibility but aren't necessarily expected to take action. As a quick reminder, use the To field for primary recipients who need to respond, and use CC to keep others in the loop. With the CC field visible, click into it and add the email address of the person you want to include. Double-check spelling to avoid bounce backs, and make sure you're following your team's privacy or confidentiality guidelines before adding anyone external. If you're bringing someone in mid-thread, it's a good practice to add a short line at the top of your message that explains why they're being added, such as, adding our project coordinator for visibility. Keep it concise and professional. Type your message in the body of the email. Keep the subject line unchanged so the conversation stays threaded. If the discussion references attachments and you need the new person to have them, remember that replies typically don't include attachments automatically. Reattach anything essential before sending. Give your message a quick proofread, confirm the recipients in To and CC are correct, and then click Send. That's it. You've successfully added someone to an Outlook email thread using Reply All, the Options menu, and the CC field. This approach preserves context, keeps everyone aligned, and prevents duplicate conversations. Thanks for watching. And feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you do it yourself.